Okay, if your body feels a little too busy right now,
Slow down!
let's try something different. Find a comfortable spot. Sitting, laying down, whatever feels best. Now, pretend you're a scoop of ice cream. Cold, still, not moving. Look, the sun is coming out. And now you're starting to melt. Your body is getting softer. Your shoulders are relaxing. Your arms feel heavy. Your whole body is slowly melting down. Don't rush it. Just let your body melt. Slowly. Now you're all melted. Soft, quiet, still. Take one slow breath in and out. When you're ready, slowly sit up. No rush, take your time.